Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I wanted to talk to you about 16 touches. So 16 touches is a rule that you should follow in order to convert an average visitor to your website, or not even your website, just average person needs 16 connections, 16 interactions with your brand before they become paying customer, before they convert. So 16 touches, it counts as any interaction, any point of contact with your brand, such as social media post, your YouTube video, your Facebook group comment, your Instagram post, your mention in the blog, mention in a LinkedIn group. That could be your YouTube video, just like this one. That could be using consistent profile pictures across all social media sites, so people know, people start recognizing you, people start associating you with a certain niche, certain content. And it takes 16 times, 16 interactions, and I call it 16 touches before an average person converts into paying customer. So you have to be getting out there, you have to keep putting new content, you have to keep publishing new content across all the major platforms that are driving majority of your traffic. Obviously, I do realize that you won't be able to post on each social media site on everyday basis. That's why I always encourage you to follow the 80-20 rule, which I cover in different video. I won't be conversing about it, but basically you have to find the 20% of actions that drive 80% of results and then focus on these. But make sure to keep it on a consistent basis. So make sure to keep adding new articles almost every week, maybe every 2 weeks. But post on social media, be active within your community, and the conversion rate will be much higher for your business if you keep doing it. So if you would like to receive more tips on how to improve your conversion rate, how to improve your SEO, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also reach out to me for a personal consultation on www.rockpapercopy.com. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.